Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we discuss about how to download HD images, high density, high definition images, photos. When we work on graphic designing, photo editing and video editing, then we need high resolution photos. So especially in Pinterest and Instagram we saw very good photos, but we cannot get properly or easily in high definition or in a good resolution photos. So today we discuss how to search photo as a photo search in Google, and how we download photos from Instagram, and how we download photos from Pinterest and other sites. Especially in Amazon, when we mostly people work on Amazon and need products photos and good photos having good resolution. So today we see how we overcome on this problem. So there is an extension which I install here, and at the end I will tell you how to install and how to get benefit from this extension. So first of all we download the photos from the Instagram. Here is a extension. I click here, 542 pictures, and you see there is a very high resolution, 1440. So in this way you will get the good picture resolution from the Instagram. Hence in a Pinterest we saw these photos and we need a good resolution. I click one of them. Here is the picture. Then click this extension which I mention later. In the extension process, in this window you see 1080, very good resolution, 1080. So we download these pictures, click here and you easily download, and now it's going to save, but I'm at the moment I am cancel it. So another, even your WhatsApp you can download 720, and you can download your photos from WhatsApp. In Twitter you also use it, you see, and Facebook. Click here, even in other websites. There is a 398 picture on this website on summer dresses page. It will collect so 1706. You will see this a high resolution picture you easily download. In Pinterest these are also collection. You click here, we already discussed Pinterest. So 1057 is a good resolution 800 something. So like that, in this extension you can also use any products photos in a good resolution. And especially Amazon, those people who work on different types of products on Amazon, and they have to make different type of presentation for e-commerce or for product hunting, and make banners, logos. You can easily download from this site with the help of this extension. I click there. 937 is a good resolution. 960. So in this way, with the help of this extension, you can download your required photos, pictures easily from any website, from any social media website. So now I am discussing about image search. For example, what is image search? This is Google's search engine. Here is an image. You click here. Now I am talking about the image search. Search by image. Click here. Upload an image. Choose the file. For example, this is a bird. Even I don't know what is its name, what type of bird it is. I click open, upload file, and here I came to know these collectors similar images from the all networks, and he also display about the bird, what is this bird, what name of this bird, and then you easily download related pictures by search image. So after that, now I am talking about how to install this extension. You click here at the very right corner, this bar, and more tool, and then you select extension. In the extension page, you click here, main menu, at the end open Chrome Web Store. Click here and search the store. You write there image I, and here is image I downloader. Click here. So this is the extension which I am talking about, image download. You click on this extension. This is free for Google Chrome, for Google extension, and when you came here you will found there the button install. I already installed this extension, that's why remove from Chrome you see here. It's very easy to install. You just click and install and next, and you will found its button over here. And if you do not found in this bar, then it's extension manager, and I also installed different extension which is very useful. I will discuss later one by one. You just subscribe my channel, like and share. I will also describe these extensions, which is very valuable and free extensions. So you just pin up here. When you pin up this extension, then you will found on the top of the bar. So I do hope you like this video, and keep watching my channel. I will in future add more valuable videos. Thank you very much.